Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to unboxing a new wireless display dongle. With the help of this you can easily cast your phone on your any TV which supports HDMI port. So I'm quickly unboxing it. So you can see I just quickly unboxed all the content from this box, and you will get some instruction paper here, and some of this is a Wi-Fi which receives signal from your phone or laptop, and this is my bill. Okay, so it's not. Then you can see here this is a box with this. You can see here there is a link. You can see here you can scan it and get all information about this or help from this, but you will not require this. And then there is a M4 plus getting started guide, how you can connect. So I'm going to show you how, simply show you. This is main dongle. Okay, when you connect to TV, this two lights will blink. Okay, so I'm showing you how. You just need to plug this to your dongle, this cable, and just open this and just plug this to your TV. Okay, you can see the support. You just plug it to your TV, and then simply just give it a power supply. You can connect it to charger or anything. Just give a power supply to your dongle, and here we go, and this will work. And next video I'm going to show you how you can use this. I'm showing you connect to TV, my TV. So thanks for watching, and hit thumbs up and like button, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel.